Want to stop Control Center from being accessible on your iPhone lock screen? Here's a quick, 60-second walkthrough. First, notice how Control Center opens from the lock screen with a simple swipe. That lets anyone access Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other quick controls without unlocking your phone. Open Settings, then tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode depending on your model. Enter your passcode to unlock these options. Scroll to allow access when locked and look for Control Center in the list. Flip the Control Center toggle off to remove access while the phone is locked. When the switch is gray, the lock screen can no longer open Control Center. Now lock the phone and try swiping. Previously the panel appeared, but now it won't. Quick test complete. Control Center is secure while locked. You can always return to these settings and toggle Control Center back on if you need it. Done. Quick and simple. Keep your device secure and follow for more concise iPhone tips.